Is anyone? Yes or no, guys? Did anyone install the Java?
No.
Okay, good. No, that's fine. No issues. Okay, first I told you, right? Whenever you want write any script, right? First of all, we need to install the Java. Once we install the Java, right, you need to check in your system whether the Java is installed properly or not. Okay, so how to install the Java? So go to the site. Hey guys, can you please confirm? Are you able to see my screen, right? Can you please confirm? Are you able to see my screen?
No, not yet.
Okay. Hmm. I think. Now you are able to see, right?
Yes, yes.
That is good. Thank you. Okay. Okay. First of all, I told you, right, you need to install the Java. So where you need to install the Java, simply you can Google, okay, Java download. Okay, I will give you document, okay, don't worry. So Java download or Java 17 download or anything, you can go to the Java download. And once you download the Java, right, see, just you, whenever you click the Java download, right, the Java download will start here. Okay, once you download the Java, right, it's very easy. I already downloaded. Okay, so once you download the Java, right, you can see that the Java folder in C folder. Okay, go to your C folder, program files, C Java. So once you install the Java, right, you will see these ones, JDK 17, JDK 18. Okay, so I install both. Okay, so you can also install anything, any one is enough. Okay, it's very easy. I told you, right, once you download the Java, right, next. Okay, but one of the most important interview point is what you need to set the path. So where you will set the path? So that's one of the most important one. So where you will set the path? This PC. Just go to this PC. Okay, right click, properties. Okay, properties, advanced system settings. Okay, environment variables. Here there are two things will be there. What are there? User variable and system variable. What is difference between user variable and system variable? Anyone know? What is difference between user variable and system variable? Anyone know? If you give any path in user variable, right, that particular user only can access Java. Suppose you are giving Java path in user variable means, suppose if you log in with in your PC, if you are logging with your user ID, you only access that Java. Okay, other people cannot access. Suppose if I log in your PC with my username, okay, I cannot access all the things. Okay, so that we can define, suppose only user specific, then you can create your account and you can give all your path details here. What about system variable? Suppose here if you define the Java path here in system variable means who are using your laptop. Suppose if I log in with in your laptop means I can able to see the Java and all the things because you are defined that path in where in system variable. Okay, but mostly we will define how everything is in system variable. Okay, here what we need to do, simply you can click a new and variable name, you can give the name full. Okay, meaning uh, Java underscore home. Okay, meaningful name you need to give. Okay, immediately you can understand what is this exact path. So Java underscore home. So variable name, once you install the Java, right, you will see that path. Okay, you will see that path in where in C folder, programming files. Okay, now here you need to give up to here. See, just this path you need to give, control C, and you need to paste. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, now you need to define like this. Okay, let's see if you observe this, my existing one. Are you able to see my screen, right? See, Java home. See, it is C folder program files. It is given like this, right? Now another thing is what path is very, very important. Here you need to give the path. Okay, here you need to provide the path. So how to provide the path? Again, interview question. How to give the path? The same location. The same location you need to go. Once you install the Java, right, you can see in the program files. In the program files you can see the Java folder. In the Java folder you can say JDK17, but you need to give up to bin you need to give up to this address. This is the address. Okay, you can copy this address, and where you need to give here, just create a new and you need to provide. See, I already given here 17 slash bin, but most of the students what they will do, they will not give up to bin. Okay, if you are not give the bin, right, it won't work. Okay, simply click OK. Okay, okay, once you done that path, right, and once you set the variable, and once you set the path, right, then you can start your programs. Okay, so this is the easiest one. Once you, I can show you. Okay, if anyone want to download the Java, we can set the path. Okay, make sure that you do with your own. Okay, then only you will get an experience. Okay, simply once you download the Java, right, go to the C folder. You can go to the C folder and program files. You can see the program files. You can see the Java folder. Okay, this path we need to set, but remember this thing, where we need to set the path. Interview question, this PC, right click, properties, advanced system settings, and environment variables and system variables. You just give the path. Okay, Java underscore home, you just give the path. Is it clear for everyone, guys? Yes or no? Because this is the basic one. If you don't know how to set the Java path, right, it is very difficult coming classes. Because coming classes we need to set the path for Maven. Coming classes we need to set the path for other tools also. So please clear itself. Okay, if you don't know, tell me, I can tell 10 times, not a problem. But if you skip now, right, again it's become a problem. So if you are clear on this part, then we can move other topics. Is it clear for everyone? Yes or no?
Yes,
Will
sir.
you repeat it once?
Sorry, is it clear, right?
No, sir.
Ah,
If possible, will you repeat it once?
sure. Good, good. So whenever you want to start write your Selenium script and all the things, right, editor is required. Editor is nothing but Eclipse. We need to download the Eclipse, and before that we required the Java. Okay, so where you need to download the Java, so you can go through the online and you can download Java download. Simply you can write the Java download. Once you Java download is done, right, you just click the download only. Okay, once the download is done, right, you can go to your download location, next, and finish. Once you finish that one, right, you will see the Java folder in in which location. You can see that C drive. Go to the program files, and you can able to see what Java folder. In the Java folder you can able to see JDK. Okay, up to here it is clear, right? So once you install the Java, you will see this one. But now we need to set the path. So where we will set the path? So simply what you need to do, you need to go to this PC. Okay, this PC, right click. Okay, properties. Okay, and advanced system settings. In advanced system settings you need to go to the environment variables, and here user variable will be there, system variable will be there. In the system variable you need to give Java underscore home. Okay, now I told you, right, go to your C folder, just whatever the location, you just mention this location. Okay, copy this address and paste here. Okay, this is what variable setting. Now you need to set the path. So how to set the path? The same. Just go to the path, just click edit. Okay, now you are setting what new path. Just click new path. I told you, right? Go to the same location, but you need to give up to bin. So now you can give this address. Okay, once you done that, then you are set that variable as well as path. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. You can try your own. Okay, don't worry if it is if you are getting wrong also, not a problem. But if you try yourself right, then you will get confidence. Next one is what? Once the Java is done right, everything is done right, make sure that it is done, the path is set correctly or not. How you will check? I told you, right? Simply you can check what? Java hyphen version. Simple. No need to ask whether my Java is installed properly or not. So please don't depend on others. Simply open the command prompt. Just in search cmd command prompt. Just type Java version. Suddenly they will ask you in your lead which version you are in currently. So no need to go up with complete and all the folders. No need to search. Simply open the command prompt. Search for Java hyphen version. Now path is set correctly or not, that you need to check. Then how you will check? Simply you write a Java C. Okay. If it is execute like this, okay, without any errors, it is execute like this means then your path is successfully set. Okay. But if you see that some errors here, okay, if you see some errors here means your path is not correct. So make sure that you need to correct your path. Okay. So this is what pre-requests you need to check before you write the script, right? You need to check whether the Java is installed properly or not. You need to check all these things. Next one is what I told you, right? You need to create, you need to download the Eclipse. Same thing. Just go to the Google, download Eclipse. No need to ask anyone. Simply you can do with your own. Okay. Download the Eclipse. Once you download the Eclipse, right? I see Eclipse, but make sure that it is what 64-bit. So where you can see that whether your bit is whether what is your system type, whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit, where you can see, guys? Can anyone tell me where we can see that what is your system type? Anyone know where we can see that all the details? Hmm. This PC.
In
uh,
setting system types,
uh, properties. What is that? See, system type. Correct. 64-bit. But nowadays, everyone system is 64-bit only. So you can go and blindly download, not a problem. But if you are 32-bit, make sure that you need to download the 32-bit. Okay. When you before downloading, right, you need to check all the things. Okay. Not download directly. Okay. So first you need to check whether your download is what 32-bit or 64-bit. So once you download this one, right, the next steps are easy only. Next, finish. Okay. Once you did right, you will see the Eclipse like this. Okay. Here what we need to do, simply you need to write the program. Okay. So how to see? First, once the Eclipse is open, right, new, what project you are doing? Java. Okay, Java. And what is the project name? You can give the project name. Project name is what? Launch Chrome Chrome browser, whatever it may be. Okay. Launch Chrome browser. Okay. Simply next. Okay. Finish. How to create a project in Java? Simply go to the file, new Java project, and you can give the project name. Here you can give the project name. Okay. Don't give ABC 112.0.0.0.7.0.7.8.6. Don't give like that. Project name should be always a meaningful name. Login or project name, you whatever you are working the project name, right, that name you need to give. Okay. So make sure that you need to give in the proper name. Okay. once you give that proper name, right, next and finish. So you can see this, the project. See, jar, JRE, we already said that path, right? That's the reason you are able to see all the libraries will be assigned to this project. SRC, here that the sample class they given here, not required, you can delete this one, okay? I will show you how to create the class. Once you create the project, right, then what you need to do, simply you can create a new package. You can create the package, you can give the same package the class project name, or you can give that com dot launch Chrome browser. This is what package. Under the package, what we need to do, we need to create a class, simply new class. Okay, now again there are some rules to create a class. Can anyone tell me what are the rules we need to follow to create a class? Who already know Java? This is very good platform, you can share your things. What is the rules to create a class? Anyone? Can we create a class with starting with the numerical?
Yes, sir. We can with the uppercase. First will be upper.
Yes, correct, uppercase, but it will take lowercase also, but it will give the warning message. And can we give the space between the class name?
No, we cannot.
No. No,
yeah, we cannot, right? These are the basic things, okay, you know, but so always remember, don't give that 1 2 3. See, if it is saying that the type is not valid, interview they were asked very silly questions. Can you please mention which one is right? The class name 1 2 3, the class name with the starting capital small letters, the class name starting with the capital letter, the class name between the space. So who are do the practice, right? They will answer. If you read 10 books, you will not attempt that answer until unless you practice with your own, then only you can answer in the interview, especially in automation or anything, coding or anything. If you watch the video 10 times, you will not get, you are thinking that, oh, it's very easy, but once you attempt with your own, right, you are now, I just told how to create a project, but still many people who already done the automation, they don't know how to create the project because they simply listen the videos and they think that I know everything. But how to create a project also, most of the people they don't know. Okay, they will get confused here. What is confused here? Nothing, right? Simply go to the new Java project, give the project name. Okay, after that next and the finish. After that, what we are doing, we are able to see that we are see the Java libraries, all the Java libraries. So that's the reason you can write any Java related programs here. Okay. Now, once it is done, it is automatically default, it will come. Now we are creating the package. Under the package, what we are doing, we are creating the class. Okay. So numerical, it not be any special characters. So try after the class, you just go with this one. What is the rule to create a class? Okay. Now I'm creating a class.
Sir, can we get recording class?
Yeah, you will get recording every day. Sorry, you will get every day. You will get, okay, whatever we are seeing here, right? Every day you will get. Okay. So the type name is, again, it is giving the warning. Okay. So make sure that it is always used with the uppercase. Okay. And next one of the most important entry question, public static void main. We need to select this one. Most of the people, they don't know why we selected this one. Remember one thing, whenever you write any Java program, right, it will always check with what main. If main is not there, the program will not be executed. Public void test case 1, public void test case 2, public void test case 3. If you run that one, it won't execute. Understanding, right? So Java, again, this is what basic things. Again, it's not a complicated coding. It's very simple one. Basic things.
Sir, your voice is low, sir.
What about now? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, good. Is it for everyone? Hello? Is it for everyone?
Yeah, it's
Yes,
better
sir.
now. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Okay, now this is one of the most important one. Public static void. Why we are using the main? Okay, without main we cannot execute the programs, right? So in Java program mainly, especially you need to execute with the main. Okay, so you need to always select this one: public static void main string arguments. So the class is created. Okay, so in whatever you are writing the code here, right, it will execute. Okay, so make sure that you need to check whether your code will be within this the class or not. You need to check. Okay, within the braces. Okay, these braces are very very important. Okay, this is the starting brace and this is the ending brace. Some people, they are not check these braces also, blindly they write the code. It is very clearly shows that error mark. So make sure that whether the braces are having correct braces or not. Opening brace, closing brace, opening brace and close brace. So make sure that the braces are working correctly or not. You need to check. Now simple guys, how to execute Java program here. Suppose you want to print anything, so what we need to do? System dot output dot println. Okay, here what you need to write? Everyone say that hello world. It's a common one, right? Hello. So whatever you write the program, right, it will be executed in where? In the console. The output will be executed in the console. See, suppose this is what I'm printing in Java. What we are writing? System dot output dot println. In Selenium also we'll write the same thing. Okay, so the same thing we will write in the console output. Okay, now you return write this one, right? Now you want to check this output. So how to execute this one? There are many ways to execute this one. Directly you can go this button and you can run this one, or else go to that class, go to your class, Chrome browser dot Java, right click, run as what application it is? Java application. Run as what? Java application. So it is asking to execute. See, hello. Are you able to see, right? Are you understanding, right? Now you can start your Java programs. Okay, you can start whatever the programs you have, right? You can start. But tell me now, tell me one thing now. Can I write here Selenium related code? It will execute. WebDriver. Is it execute? Yes or no, guys? Can I write Java Selenium related things here? It will work.
No, we need libraries.
Excellent. So the basic thing, if you start writing anything here, right, Java related, WebDriver related or Selenium related things, right, it won't work. So we required what? Libraries. Import org dot openqa. See, nothing is not getting, right? Selenium related things are not getting anything. So first part is what? You need to download the web drivers. So where you will download the web drivers? Where you will download the web drivers?
From
Go
Selenium
to,
website.
yes, good. Always I told you, right, go to the Selenium site. It's very easy, guys. Selenium.dev and downloads. I told you, right, you can download what? A stable version 4.2.50. Just click that one. It was automatically download. See, it starts downloading. Okay, it's very easy, guys. Once it is downloaded, right, what you need to do? Go to your download location folder. See, this is what? Selenium, right? So this you need to add to your project. How to add to your project? So that is interview question. So what we can do? Go to your Eclipse. go to your project, src, right click, try to understand guys, don't panic, okay, it's very easy. src, right click, build path, after that what, configuration build path, after that what, libraries, after that what, see these all are not enabled. Most of the people there will get confused why this is not enabled. You need to select the class path, then whenever you select the class path, right, you are able to see all the things. Now what we need to do, we need to add the jar files. So simply what you need to do, add externally jar files. So what you downloaded here, right, simply download right here, just open this. Now you are added Selenium WebDriver jar files to your project. Okay, apply, and close. See, if you observe that here we are able to see what, reference libraries, and that too is what, Selenium. See, you can see the Selenium related all the things. Now you can start write your Selenium code. Okay, you can write your Selenium script here. Understanding, right? So before you start writing any script, these all are what, prerequisites. You need to check whether this is, see, Chrome driver. If I want to launch the Chrome, right, I required this library. What is that? I need to import this one. Import org.openqa.selenium.chrome.chrome driver. Understanding, right? So if I'm not import this one, right, I cannot launch that. Okay. So what I need to do, the simply, now see all the Selenium related I can use here. Now go to the here, import the package. How we need to import? No need to write anything, simply write 2-3 lines. Import, give the space, org dot, see, simply put a dot. It's very easy. Okay, if you are not remembered also, not a problem. Simply put a dot, org dot openqa dot selenium dot control space. You can use control space, or you can use control space. Yeah. Selenium dot Chrome. Write 2 lines. Okay, just I'm writing 2 lines. Chrome dot driver. See, very easy. No need to remember all the things. You just put a dot, automatically it will shows that relevant thing, and you need to select that one. Okay, so no need to by heart all the things. Simple. How to, so no, in case in interview they will ask you write a program also, you can easily write. Okay, import org dot openqa, see, automatically Selenium came, right, you can select the Selenium. If you want, if already remember, org dot openqa dot selenium dot selenium dot chrome. So again, dot Chrome driver. What driver is required? Chrome driver.
Chrome driver.
So what else you want, tell me? Zero knowledge of coding also we can easily achieve, but I cannot say in the call. It's a recording, right? So zero knowledge also you can manage, but in coming in further days you need to learn at least what is happening there. Okay. Now next one is what, Chrome WebDriver is required for me. So what I need to do, same thing, I need to import. Again, you can see that WebDriver is also will be there. You can handle with the developer tools that recently introduced in Selenium 4. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So you can, if you want to learn more and more in depth or expert level, you can see all the packages level and all the things. Okay. Okay, now what is required? WebDriver. Simple, the same thing. Import org dot openqa dot Selenium. Everything should be comes on Selenium, right? Selenium. What is required? Right. Now WebDriver related things I can use down in the class. I can use. Okay, Chrome related drivers I can use in the class. So these two are very important. Now tell me guys, this is yellow line, right? Yellow line you are able to see, right? What is this one? This is warning message. You already import, but you are not used anywhere. So that's the reason it is showing what? Yellow mark, warning message. Okay, but if you write something wrong, right? See, this is what red mark. Okay, this is what you need to check. Okay, you need to check. You need to give an a proper name. Okay, so try to understand that yellow mark is not an error. Okay, now you can start write your code. Very easy. Okay, and this star mark, did you observe that this star mark means what? You are not save your program. So first always you need to save the program. Control S. What you need to do? You need to do the Control S. Understanding, right? So what is required here? Simply we need to create an object for WebDriver. So write WebDriver. Control space, only write 2 lines. Just give the 2 lines. Control space. WebDriver, you can give any name. Okay, object name you can give any name. Okay, ABC you can give any name, but meaningful I'm giving was what? Driver equals to, what is that object? How you will create that object? New means memory
New.
allocation will be there.
Yeah.
New WebDriver. New WebDriver. Why is it saying all this?
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Yeah, because I kept the mic down and I'm okay. New, what is required? We are Chrome driver. Write 2 lines. Okay, we are creating object for Chrome driver. Okay, and also make sure that in Selenium, again interview question, the line, the statement is ends with what? Semicolon. Semicolon is very important. Okay, now just we create a WebDriver. For WebDriver we create object for what? Chrome driver, right? Now simply what I'm doing is what? Driver dot, now I need to call that URL. Okay, driver dot get. Get is what? To call the URL. So what URL you want? Simply you can mention that URL. Okay, suppose Selenium. But say in the string always within what? Double quotes. Most of the students what they will do, they will not put the double quotes. Okay, simply they will add HTTP and this one. Okay, it won't work. Okay, 2 lines guys, 2 lines code. WebDriver, we are creating a new object or like a new Chrome driver. Suppose you want to create a H Chrome driver, means you need to give the H Chrome driver. Okay, once you created that one, right, you can access with the object dot, you can access all with the object driver dot get. Get means the command. Okay, I will tell you what are the commands in Selenium. We'll discuss the coming class, but today what we are learning, how to launch the browser. That is very important. Okay, in Selenium 4 no need to write a key and value. Okay, previously if you go with Selenium 3, right, so you need to provide the key and value. Okay, you need to write so you need to write system dot set property. You need to mention that and key and value. Okay, the key is what? For every driver there is a key. Okay, I will tell you that one, you will get confused. But in Selenium 4 you no need to download the browser separately and no need to provide any key. Okay, in Selenium 4 you can directly write WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver and driver dot get. Okay, previously what happened, you need to download the browser. If you observe this one, if you see this downloads, previously in Selenium 3 what we need to do, we need to download the respective browser. See, browsers, Okay, now suppose I want to download the Chrome, means what we need to do? We need to download the Chrome browser. But in Selenium 4, not required like that. Okay, I will tomorrow, the next class I will show you why we are. You need to download respective browser, then you need to keep it on your local, and that path you need to mention. That how you need to mention means system dot set properties, and also you need to mention the key and value. Okay, so that is one of the most important one. If you go with Selenium 3 and all the things, right, you need to mention that key and value. Okay, but in Selenium 4 it is not required. Okay, I will show that. Okay, that's fine. We need to now Selenium 4 is not required that. Okay, now let's see. Now is it clear everyone, right? It's very easy, only 2 lines of code. Now if I want to run this one, how we need to run this one? Simply I told you, right, go to your class and right click, and what is that? Run as Java application. Now if you run this one, it automatically download all the things which is required. What is showing? See, 2 lines of a code. Interview question. This is which browser? Chrome browser, right? See, Chrome is beginning controlled by automated test software. It is launched by whom? Selenium. Understanding, right? If you open the normal browser, right, you will not see that one. Are you understanding what is the difference between launch browser and one? So you can see this title. Okay, so automatically it is open. See, how many lines? 2 lines of the code. Okay, but if you practice, right, if you practice more and more, right, it's very very easy. If you not practice, right, it is very tough. Okay, but try to understand, don't copy the paste the code. Okay, driver, web driver equals to and new Chrome driver. Okay, now what we are writing here, driver dot get. So there is a command. Okay, there is a command to open that URL. So what is the command? Driver dot get. I told you, right, what Selenium will do. The Selenium automates the web browser, right? So I want to open that URL. Get. Okay, simply get. You can provide that URL. You just provide that URL within your double quotes, and make sure that the Selenium is ends with what? Semicolon. Okay, is it clear? So you can launch any browser. Now if you want to launch Edge Chrome, what we need to do? Can anyone? What we need to do? Edge Chrome. Import org dot openqa dot selenium dot edge, right? Edge dot edge driver. Understanding, right? The web driver is required. At anyhow we required web driver. Understanding, right? Suppose you want to launch a Firefox, what you need to do? You need to import the respective files. Understanding, guys? Is it clear? So
Yes.
practice is required here. So it's very easy. You're thinking that it's very easy, but practice, more practice is required. You're thinking that it's very easy, but when you start executing the program, right, then you will understand what is the importance here. Okay. Uh, can anyone have Java install and everything? Then we can practice in your system. Is anyone is installed the Java
Yes,
and Eclipse?
yes.
Oh, good, excellent. So, what is your name?
Bhargavi D.
Bhargavi D. Okay, you want to share your screen?
I will share.
Okay, making a co-host. Yeah, you can share your screen.
You can see my screen, right?
No, I think
No?
wait, I will stop my one. Ah, yes, yes, yes. I'm able to see. Yeah, good.
Eclipse?
Yeah, yes, correct. Yeah, can you create a file? First, 1 second. Can you check that? Open the command prompt CMD. Did you check that? Good, excellent. Yeah, yeah, command prompt. Yes, it is correct. Now create file, new Java project. Okay. Give the project name, anything you can give. Chrome launch or anything you can give.
Yeah.
Next, finish. Okay, now arrow mark is there, right? Left side, you can expand that arrow mark. Left side, your left side, package explorer. Left side, your left side. File, go to the file under, down below. Down
Here.
below. Yeah, correct.
Okay.
No
I
problem.
have to finish, right?
No, yeah, you can click the finish. Sharing the screen is also very, very important. In real time, we need to share your screen and you need to explain to the development teams. Okay, once you practice here, right, and in case in real time, it's very easy. Okay, yeah. So now here under SRC, what you need to do, you need to create a package. Okay, just create a package, right click, new package. Yeah, you can give com.chrome. Actually, you can delete that. We will see that one. Com.package, anything you can give. No problem. Finish. Now you can remove that one module.info.java and delete that one. Right click there because sometimes it won't execute. Okay, so better you can delete. Now under the package, I told you, right, what we need to do. You need to create a class. Right click, new class. Give launching Chrome browser or Chrome browser, anything. Public static void, I told you, right, main is very, very important. Yeah, finish. Now see, package name is what you given com.package. What is the class name? Chrome browser. Okay, under the code, whatever the code you need to write, right, that code should be in the within the class. Okay, in the class you need to write. So if you write import, can you try the go to the line number 2. Line number 2, try import org space import space org dot open qa. See, you are not getting anything, right, because we are
Yes.
not added any jar files.
Selenium.
Selenium jar files. Did you download that one?
No, not it.
Okay, go with Chrome drive, Selenium dev and downloads. Go to the downloads. Excellent. And stable version. Yeah, click that. Once you download it, right, it will download. Let it be. Go to your Eclipse. Go to your Eclipse, and where you need to add, go to the src. Go to the src. Tell me, the src, where you need to go? Build path. What about other guys? You can also involve
Yeah.
other.
Config build path.
Build path, config, build path.
Add external jar.
Add external. Here libraries. Here first you need to click the libraries. Under the
Libraries and
libraries, you need to
As
class form.
add external jar. Click here. Add correct. What you did, correct. Sorry. Yeah. Now apply and close. Simple. Now you can try line number 2. Remove that one. Org dot openqa dot selenium
Selenium.
dot selenium dot
Driver.
what is required? WebDriver is required, right? WebDriver. Control space, write 2 lines and use control space. Write 2 lines. Control automatically came, right? You can select that. See how easy it is. Line number 3. Import. What is required? Another package. Chrome driver. Chrome driver. Correct. Don't put dot.
Yeah, space.
Space. Org dot open
QA
selenium dot chrome drive. See how?
Under package we are creating, sir.
Yes. Chrome driver. Just write Chrome driver. Write 2 lines. 2 lines. At least 2 lines. See. What else you want, guys? In interview, they ask you launch any browser domains. You can open a notepad and write all the things. Then they knows that, oh, you have some knowledge. Don't tell import.org. Because they ask you write a program. Okay. Now not required static public void,
Yeah, it's
because
there.
you already defined, right? Simply what you need to do, you need to create a object for WebDriver, right? WebDriver control space. See, control space. Don't write completely. Okay. So because see, WebDriver W should be a capital and D should be a capital. That is the problem. So write 2 lines and use automatically whatever the coming down, right? You can use. Yeah, select that one. Select. Simply select. Now you can give that object. Give the space. Object name. Anything you can give. ABC or anything or a driver. You can write driver. Driver equals to. What are the just give a new Chrome driver equals to new Chrome driver. Give the space and write 2 lines. Control space. Use control space. Chrome driver. What are the Chrome driver related things, right? That all assigned to where? Into the driver, right? Yeah. Semicolon. The statement will ends with semicolon. Now all Chrome related is where it's there in driver, right? Now you are accessing with the object. Object is nothing but a driver. Driver dot, yes, driver dot get the command. Get is the command. Get string URL. Simply you can select the get string URL. No need to write anything. The string is what? Always I told you, right? The string is what? Double quotes. So here Java is required. Double quotes is required. You can go to any website, whatever you are working, copy that one. That's fine. Now, yeah, save it. Well, it is not saved, right? Star mark it is showing. So control S. Do the star. Now star is gone, right? Now, yeah, you can run there. Otherwise, you can go to the class and allow. Is it your personal laptop only, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. See, within a fraction of second beat it. And now you need to maximize this window. How you will do? What you need to write? Driver dot, right? Driver dot manage dot dot right down below it is coming, right? Window dot select that one. Dot what you want, what operation you want?
Max.
See what else, guys? Semicolon. Can you run this one? That is what Selenium automates web browser. So previously it is default window. See if it is maximized. Now can you click any link? Means I will tell you. Okay, the coming sessions we will do. So this is the way, guys. Okay, it's a very easy. Okay, not required to. Programming is very important, but at least you know what is the class and what is the method. People don't know. They will start writing this code in where in the 6th line. Then immediately the other person knows that, oh, you don't have a good programming knowledge. So within a class you need to write all the things, and the semicolon is very important, that the statement ends with what? The semicolon. Okay, so we can do, see, now we maximize, now we can handle that links, now we can do what? Minimize and maximize, and you can log out or we can close that, everything we can do. but we need to understand the browser commands. Based on the browser commands we can do. Okay, is it clear for everyone, guys? But not only this person, everyone need to install everything and be ready on tomorrow. Are you guys are available right tomorrow?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
What
sir.
about all the guys? Tell everyone,
Yes.
not only two one. Okay, holiday,
Yes,
right? So you have any program? No problem. See, we can tell the correctly, okay, because we will miss the sessions, right? If you are available, then we can start. Otherwise, we can go with the next class should be on 3rd. Okay, whatever it means. So everyone is available, right?
Yes.
Okay, done. So this is, guys, how to launch. You can run as a Java application also. The same platform you can practice the Java also now. You can whatever the Java programs, just go with that. I told you, right? Go for the self learning. You can go the Java basic things, how to create a class, methods, inheritance, polymorphism. So the OOPS concept you can go and practice if you have a time. Otherwise, we'll see. I will share the documents. Okay, don't worry. Java related documents I will share you. There are 69 questions. If you practice all the things right, 100%, no doubt that you will crack the interview. No doubt. Okay, that I will share you. But I don't want to share immediately, because if you prepare interview questions right, only interview point of only you will get it. But if you practice like from the basic and from the scratch, right, then you will understand what real concepts. So next class, what we will see that the next class tomorrow, if everyone is ready, means we'll launch the other browsers and also we'll start what the browser commands. Okay. Does anybody have any questions? Thanks for the.
I got some warnings. Is this fine?
That's fine. That's fine. Not problem.
Okay.
No, it's not a warning message. It's saying that the thing what it is. Okay, no problem. Okay. See, what is the disadvantages in Selenium? We'll see any report. No, right? So we are only seeing that
We need to use test engine.
then what we need to write? We need to write the system dot output dot println, and you need to write the console. Okay, whatever the output you want. Okay. Okay, thank you, guys. Anyone, anything to discuss?
Yeah. Hi, sir. This is Kaviraj.
Uh,
So I have one doubt. Line
yeah,
number 10. Line number 10. So driver equal to new Chrome driver. So how it is like it will open the Chrome
yeah,
browser.
that is what that is correct. Okay, I will tell you that is a that's one of the most important one. WebDriver is a what interface. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are writing the driver equals to and new Chrome driver. Whatever the Chrome driver things will be there, right? It's a WebDriver is what interface. Okay, so here what we are doing, whatever the Chrome driver related things, right, that all will be assigned to whom? To the object, that driver, right? Now from the driver dot, so object driver means what? Object that you can access anything. Okay, what are the related things with the Chrome driver related things, right, that all we can access. Okay, that this will see that one the next class. It will take time, and after the class you just what is WebDriver interface you can check. Okay, you will get more details. Okay, got it right?
Okay.
It's a good question actually. Is anything else, guys? We'll discuss that also. We'll discuss.
And
Okay.
also, sir, please.
Same time tomorrow, our class will be start.
The same time, 7 to 8.
So can you please, sir, provide the course content details?
Sure,
Like
sure,
what
sir. You can check with the front office. They will send you. Okay, they will send you all the details.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, please.
What topics do we need to cover for Java? I mean, there is a number of topics. So being a tester, so what are the main topics that we need to know?
Java, I told you, right? CoreJava concept you need to understand. CoreJava related, what are the CoreJava things, right? I think I told you, right? You just check with the CoreJava related things. Okay, all the things you need to prepare. Because I told you, right? in some interviews, right, they won't ask anything related to the Selenium. So straightforward, they will ask you Java related questions. So if you are in good in CoreJava related, right, so you can easily answer that. And after that, they will slowly start with automation related things, like, can you please tell me what is your roles and what is your responsibilities, how you do automation in your current application, and what is your involvement in the current project. So you need to slowly start with your process. Okay. I will tell you how we need to explain the process and all the things, but there is no specific topic. If you after the class, what are the CoreJava related things? Okay, you have, I told you, right, there is a DURGASOFT video there. Okay, just it's a very lengthy videos, but it is a proper content will be there. Okay, there are in-depth concepts will be there. If you understand the topic, just skip and you can move on. After the class, you can check that CoreJava related thing. Otherwise, if you are still not getting with that videos and all the things, right, better you can join with it's a hardly it's a 2000 or 1000 rupees also will be there, because once you learn with the trainer, right, they will tell you where we need to start, where we need to end, what are the tricks and all the things they will tell you. But go with initially for self learning. So let's anyhow, I will share that interview questions and all the things, right, that will help you a lot.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you guys. Hey, thank you guys. We'll see then tomorrow. Thank you guys, but please practice, guys. Okay, it won't see the video and it will see you will know. If I share that material also, you will not understand. Okay, who did the practice, there only can understand. See, now we did practically in the class. Why I'm asking to share the screen? I can go with the next topic. I can go for the next topic. I can give the material, but I don't want to give like that. I want every individual need to write a program, write a script. Understanding, right? Because in interview, they won't ask like this. They will ask you open a notepad and write a code. Then in that situation, if you're not able to write anything, right, you don't know what is import, you don't know what is org.openqa.selenium, then you cannot write. Okay, so my suggestion is everyone need to follow the same. Okay, if you are ready with Java, Eclipse, then we can start. Everyone we will do. Okay, thank you guys, thank you your time. We'll see then tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.